Ever pondered how crucial visibility is for clinics on Google? Welcome to a voyage into the world of digital marketing, where we'll explore its transformative power through the success story of a clinic that dramatically boosted its visibility. Once upon a time in a bustling city, there was a small clinic named Bangalore Dental Clinic. Despite providing top-notch dental services, they struggled to attract new patients. Their problem? A lack of visibility. Buried under pages of Google search results, they remained an undiscovered gem. Recognizing the need for a change, Dr. Priya decided to dip its toes into the vast ocean of digital marketing. They understood that in this digital era, being visible on Google was as important as having a prime physical location. Their first step was to optimize their website for search engines, a process known as search engine optimization. By sprinkling relevant keywords throughout their site and maintaining a blog with helpful health tips, they started climbing the Google search rankings. But Dr. Priya didn't stop there. They also embraced social media, creating profiles on popular platforms and regularly sharing valuable content. This strengthened their online presence and drove more traffic to their website, further boosting their Google ranking. Paid advertising was another tool they utilized. By investing in Google Ads, they ensured their clinic appeared at the top of search results for specific keywords. This significantly increased their visibility and brought in a flood of new patients. The result? Dr. Priya transformed from an obscure clinic to a highly visible healthcare provider. Their patient base grew exponentially and they became a trusted name in their community. So, what can we glean from Health Haven's success? Firstly, embracing digital marketing is no longer optional for clinics. It's a necessity. With the majority of people turning to Google for healthcare information, clinics that fail to establish a strong online presence risk being left in the shadows. Secondly, a strategic mix of SEO, social media marketing, and paid advertising can dramatically increase a clinic's visibility. It's not about choosing one over the other. It's about finding the right balance. Lastly, remember that digital marketing is not a one-time effort. It requires consistency, creativity, and a willingness to adapt to changing trends. To sum up, digital marketing holds the power to transform a clinic's visibility on Google. It's a journey, and like all journeys, it requires a first step. So why not take that step today? Embrace digital marketing and let your clinic shine in the vast digital universe.